Hello children, welcome to the class once again. We are seeing chapter 3, India our country. Let us continue the lesson. Let us see the answers of the questions and you can mark and learn. Let us see one by one. A. Write true or false next to each statement. 1. India is surrounded by seas on all four sides. False. 2. Jog falls are created by river Shravati. True. 3. Vivekananda's original name was Narendranath. True. 4. Lakshadweep is a group of islands in India. True. 5. Marina Beach is the longest beach in the world. False. 6. Nanda Devi is an important river of India. False. 7. India is the second most populous country of the world. True. 8. The fertile plain lies to the north of the Himalayas. False. 9. The eastern coastal plain is narrower than the western coastal plain. False. 10. The tomb of Sher Shah Suri is at Sasaram. True. Next B. Cancel the wrong alternative in each of the following. 1. India is the 6th, 7th largest country in the world. 6th strike. 2. Urdu Kashmiri is the state language of Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmiri strike. 3. Cuttack is situated on the banks of river Mahanadi Brahmaputra strike. 4. Kolkata is situated on the banks of river Tapi strike. 5. The group of islands is the Arabian Sea. The group of islands in the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, are called Lakshadweep. Bay of Bengal strike. 6. The lowest ranges of the Himalayas are called Shivalik Range, Lesser Himalayas. Strike, Lesser Himalayas. 7. The famous Mullaperiyar Dam is located in Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu strike. 8. Maldives Islands do not form part of India. Strike, form. 9. The Indian Parliament has a unicameral bicameral system. Strike, unicameral. 10. The Sun Temple is in Konark, Puri. Strike, Puri. Next is C. Connect the following by writing the correct letter next to each. 1. Deccan. Answer H. Is a plateau. 2. Gulf of Mannar. Answer D. Separates India from Sri Lanka. 3. Himadri Range. Answer F. Is the source of the Yamuna. 4. Lakshadweep. Answer A. Is in the Arabian Sea. 5. Sikandara. Answer J. Akbar's tomb. 6. Cape Comorin. Answer G. Meeting place of eastern and western coastal plains. 7. Fatehpur Sikri. Answer B. Buland Darwaza. 8. Talwandi. Answer E. Guru Nanak's birthplace. 9. Chittoor. Answer C. Tower of Victory. 10. Sriharikota. Answer I. Rocket launching station. Next D. Put a tick mark next to each correct answer. 1. The Ajanta caves are located in Maharashtra. 2. The Silent Valley project is situated in the state of Kerala. 3. Oil was first struck in Bombay High in dash 1974. 4. India Today is a leading news magazine. 5. The Tashkent Declaration was signed in the year 1966. 6. The first Muslim ruler in India was Muhammad Ghori. 7. The Bhopal tragedy is associated with gas. 8. The 11th 5-year plan lasted from 2007 to 2012. Next is E. Write the given names of Indian presidents in the correct order of the period of their time of office. So the answers are written here. Just you can also write in your textbook and learn. Then you have F. Write the given names of Indian prime ministers in the correct order of the period of their time of office. These also answers are written, so you also mark it and learn. Next G. Connect the following by writing the correct letters. Number 1. Naxalbari G. 2. Singareni C. 3. Dr. Siddhartha Mukherjee E. 4. Todas I. 5. Anni-Besant A. 6. Tanzan H. 7. Victoria Memorial J. 8. Michael Ferreira D. 9. Amartya Sen F. 10. Dinilai B. Next you have H. Cross out the one that is not Indian. Number 1. Reuters. 2. New York Times. 3. Taslima Nasreen. 4. Sister Nivedita. Next lesson is for some Indian states. West Bengal. 1. Put a tick mark next to each correct answer. 1. Chandarnagar was formerly a colony of the French. 2. The partition of Bengal was cancelled by King George. 3. The Howrah Bridge is over the river Hooghly. 4. Bengal was partitioned by Lord Curzon. 5. Bengal is the biggest producer of jute. Next is true or false. Write true or false next to each statement. 1. West Bengal, and answers are marked here. 1 is false, 2 false, 3 true, 4 false, 5 true, 6 false, 7 false, 8 true, 9 true, and 10 also true. Next is Maharashtra. Cancel the wrong alternative in each of the following. I just give the answers. You can mark in your notebook. Number 1. Strike 1947. 2. Unicameral strike. 3. Artificial strike. 4. Open strike. 5. Hindu strike. 6. 1961 strike. Number 7 is not strike. Next B. Put a tick mark next to each correct answer. 1 is King George V to 1963 Koina project. 4. Central Museum. Then C. Connect these by writing the correct letter. 1. Victoria Terminus C. 2. Mahabaleshwar D. C. Pimbri A. And 4. Bandra B. Next is Kerala. Tick off the correct answer in each of the following. 1. 1st November. 2. Malayala Manorama. 3. EMS Nambudripad. 4. Sea Beach. 5. Kathakali. 6. Writer. Next, true or false. B. 1. 1 false, 2 true, 3 true, 4 false, 5 true, 6 true, 7 false, 8, 9, 10 true, true, true. Next is Tamil Nadu. A. Cancel the wrong alternative in each of the following. 1. Strike natural. 2. Strike Hindu. 3. Strike NTR. 4. Strike Coimbatore. 5. Strike rubber. 6. Strike bicameral. 7. Strike 1947. Then B. Connect the following by writing the correct letter. 1. B. 2. D. 3. A. 4. E. 5. C. Next, true or false. C. 1. True. 2. True. 3. False. 4. True. 5. False. 6 also false. 7 also false. Next is Madhya Pradesh. True or false? 1 true, 2 true, 3 false, 4 also false, 5, 6 true, true, and 7 false. Next, combine by writing the correct letter next to each. 1 D, 2 A, 3 F, 4 C, 5 E, 6 G, 7 B. Next, tick correct answer. 1. Narmada runs from east to west. 2. Which one is in Madhya Pradesh? Kanha National Park. 3. Nepanagar is famous for newsprint mills. Next is lesson number 5. Kings and their dynasties. 1. Kanisha, Kushan. 2. Babur, Mughal. 3. Ashoka, Maurya. 4. Iltutmish, slave. 5. Raja Bhoj, Parmar. Next, B. Choose the correct name from the box and fill each blank. Number 1. Dash is called the Indian Napoleon, Samudragupta. 2. Dash transferred the capital from Delhi to Dolatabad. 2. Muhammad Tughlaq. 3. Deen-e-Islami, new religion, was founded by Dash, Akbar. 4. Dash Vardhana was the only famous king of the Vardhana dynasty. Answer 4. Harsha. Number 5. Ashoka. Number 6. Aurangzeb. Number 7. Babur. Number 8. Chandragupta II. These are the answers for this one. Next is lesson 6. British rule in India. The names of some of the Governor Generals of British India are given. Write the correct period next to each. Number 1. D. 2. F. 3. J. 4. A. 5. B. 6. H. 7. I. 8. C. 9. G. and 10. E. Next is choosing from the box given. Give the name of the Governor General at the time of the following events. Number 1. The second round table conference, Lord Irwin. 2. King George V visited India, Lord Hardinge. Number 3. Lord Mountbatten. Number 4. Quit India movement began, Lord Linlithgow. Number 5. First War of Independence, Lord Canning. Number 6. The foundation of the British Empire was laid in India, Lord Clive. Answers are given and you can also mark it. Next is in lesson number 7, Indian independence. A. Match the following by writing the correct letter next to each. 1. D. 2A, 3G, 4C, 5H, 6B, 7E, 8F. These are the answers. Learn. Then B. Fill in the blanks with suitable words from the box. 1. Bal Gangadhar Tilak belonged to the extremist group. Then 2. Khilafat. 3. Atli. 4. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 5. Moderate group. 6. Amritsar. 7. Meerut. So answers are given. You can also mark it. Next is C. Put tick mark next to each correct answer. 1. E.O. Hume. 2. Surendranath Banerjee. 3. Subhash Chandra Bose. 4. Lord Canning. 5. Gujarat. Next, combine by writing the correct letter next to each. 1. F. 2. A. 3. I. 4. B. 5. 5. H. 6. J. 7. E. 8. G. 9. D. 10. C. These are the answers. Next is lesson number 8, Indian Constitution. A. Put a tick mark next to each correct answer. 1. Parliament. 2. 1976. 3. Twice. 4. Council of Ministers. 5. The President. 6. The President again. 7. Odisha. Next, cancel the wrong alternative in each of the following. 1. Double cancel. 2. Is not cancel. 3. 1950 cancel. 4. Lok Sabha cancel. 5. 21 cancel. 6. 1950-51 cancel. 7. 9 cancel. Next, C. Combine by writing the correct letter next to each. 1. E. 2. C. 3. G. 4. A. 5. F. 6. B. 7. D. Next is D. Tick each correct answer statement and put cross the others. 1. Tick mark. 2. False. 3. False again. 4. False. 5. Right. 6. Right. 7. Right. 8. Also right. Next, E. Fill in the blanks with the answers from the box. 1. 25. 2. Third. 3. President. 4. 30 years. 5. Prime Minister. 6. 4th. 7. 35 years. These are the answers. Next, F. Write true or false. 1. True. 2. True. 3. True. 4. False. 5. False. 6. True. 7. False. 8. True. 9. False. 10. False again. Here also G. Take the correct answer. 1. Right. 2. Wrong. 3. Right. 4. Right. 5. Wrong. 6. Wrong again. 7. Right. 8. Wrong. 9. Right. 10. Right. Okay, children, that's what we have for today's session. Remaining we will see in the next class. Thank you.